3 seconds to answer this. With which movie did Kartik Aryan make a debut on OTT? That's right, it was Dhamaka. But did you know Netflix got Experiential to make the launch big and create a buzz nationwide? Partnering with Creative Land Asia and InkinCaps, an experiential marketing campaign was set up in 5 different locations across the country. But what was the experience about? So OE vans, which were an integral part of the movie, was taken as the main element of the campaign. We created a digital game replicating Bharosa 24/7 news studio on the OE vans, in which Kartik Aryan asked thought-provoking questions about life in line with his character in the movie. The audience answered the question with gesture recognition tech, which was built in these vans. Picture to abhi baki hai. It boomed when there was a surprise awaiting for the audience. It was Kartik Aryan's surprise visit in the Phoenix Palladium Mall for the greet and meet session and for one-on-one fan interaction. This resulted in a successful marketing campaign in experiential marketing space. To read more about this, click the link in the bio and follow for more such marketing updates videos. See you in the next video.